everybody, how are you doing today? I hope that you're doing well and that you're staying safe. My gardening friends got any tips for me on these big, huge zucchinis? I think we let them get a little bit too big. I'm thinking zucchini boats, maybe some zucchini bread. I don't know. Got some cucumbers, zucchinis, and squash today, and this squash and a couple others got too big, but they're doing really well. The cucumbers are just not as juicy though. They got a kind of a thicker skin and the center of it is not as juicy, so maybe we're picking them too soon. This is kind of a good size like in the grocery store. But this is what it looks like whenever you cut into them. And the taste is pretty dry. I mean, it's got a little bit of flavor to it, but it's not flavorful like what you get in the grocery store. So maybe we're picking it too soon, or maybe it's just not getting enough water. It has been really dry. We've not really gotten a lot of rain here in Kentucky, which is cherry tomatoes and the regular tomatoes are doing okay. Bugs are still continuing to kind of attack them, but I don't have any more of those tomato hornworms, so I'm not really sure what's going on there. And again, we're not using any kind of bug spray or any of that stuff, so I haven't even put that bacteria stuff that I got for the tomato hornworms on the little garden that we have yet, just because I pulled all the hornworms off and I haven't seen any more. But somehow some other kind of bug is getting the tomatoes, and I thought tomatoes were supposed to be pretty resistant. We gave some to the neighbors, and I've got some more outside, but these are, I'm amazed at how well they're doing. We actually do have watermelon. And maybe that's part of the cucumber issue, because the watermelon is encroaching on the cucumber, and we planted them side by side, and maybe that's choking out the taste or the water getting to the cucumbers in some way. I don't really know, but we got a bunch of little watermelons. Now whether they actually live or not, who knows, but we'll see. The problem is, where it's hard for me to gauge, is we're not getting the amount of water. Like, the rainfall has really diminished quite a lot here in Richmond, Kentucky. Well, I figured it wouldn't be growing as quickly, but we found a whole lot today, so this is what I have. So let me know down in the comments what ideas, suggestions, tips, all that good stuff you have for the large size zucchinis and squash, and then any kind of cucumber issues that may sound familiar to you. I would appreciate that. There's some little cherry tomatoes. Have a great day, guys. Bye.